Good morning, guys. Here we are looking at an Audi Quattro A6. We are going to put a front license plate frame on the Audi, and basically what we've done so far is we've taken off this top cover. It's got a couple of plastic studs that hold it in place and some clips on the back side that basically it gets pushed down into this rail here along the front grille. Also, what I've done, and just because this is a little tedious, I spared you the process of that, but I'll just show you it going together. What we've done here in the front is basically drilled a couple small holes for the license plate frame mount, and we also protected the front of the grille with a little bit of tape there while we were drilling. So what we're going to do is going to fit the bracket in place here. I'll get you set up. Hopefully you can see what's going on here. All I need to do now is throw this bracket in place and a couple bolts through the top there with some Loctite on them, and put the plate in place and lock it down and reassemble everything. Hopefully that dropped into place, huh? Looks like it did. Great. Alrighty. Make sure it's down far enough here. That looks pretty good. So here is the bracket that goes in. And get a couple of nuts. Probably need to be up a little higher here so I can get to it all. Hold the back of it in place. I think I'm on the far one here. There we go. Doing this by feel, I can't see a thing. There we go. I think I got that one started. Alright, let me look at the second one here. There that one is. Get that pushed through. Alright. And we'll get another nut for that. Perfect, that one's started now. Get it back close to the body here. I think I want it slightly canted this way, just so it fits as flush as possible. Let's see here. I need a couple of wrenches. So, just need to tighten this up now. That should hold it. Not sure I can get on it with the socket from this side. Hopefully I can. And adjust the angle here. Just get it on there. really tight. I'm just barely getting on it. And that's about tight enough on that one. On the second one here. And that's even slightly tighter there. Getting a little spin out of that. Hold on a second. Let me get on it with a wrench. There we go. I don't drop the wrench now. And that's tight. So again, just put on a license plate holder for the front of the Audi here. Just had to drill a couple holes. It looks like it was 17/34 for the bracket. Got the bracket online at a company with the letter A at the beginning of it. Anyway, got that in place. There's a bracket that goes on the back side of it. It basically sandwiches the plastic for the front grille. Ran the bolts down, got some Loctite on them, tightened them up, and then basically protected the front here of the grille with some tape so it wouldn't mark it up. Pull that off here now. Of course, this car has already gotten a few marks, been on the road now for, I don't know, about a month or two. So anyway, not too bad. There's that. I think most of that's just a little bit of glue on there from the tape, which it is. I'll rub that out as we get it. It's just some glue on the front from the tape that kind of got mashed in there. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and put the cover back on the top here. I'm not sure where I could put you. But we'll give it a try from there. So it's got some slots here on the front that it goes into. Both sides. I believe it goes underneath that and over the top of this tab here. Yeah, that looks right. Get that pushed in. It's a little bit off to one side here. Hold on. Go, that's centered up. I believe these tabs here go down. There. Okay. Make sure I'm getting all the way in on the corners here. Now it's got a couple of these plastic tabs that you put in. Don't know if you guys could see that, but basically, focus. It's just these plastic lock nuts with a little rivet that goes inside. They go here and there, and then the rivets go inside of that to lock them in place. Push them in. And that's pretty much it. All secure. So again, I don't know if you could see all that, but basically this is how it seats in the front. And that's it. You remove that cover just so you can get access below to the front of the grill so you can get the nuts in. This is where the bracket's going, basically centered in the front of the car, and it bolts to the bottom here. And the license plate will go in this area where there's basically plastic, so it won't block the airflow to the intercooler and the radiator and all that. All right, thanks for hanging out, you guys. Okay, bye.